Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can whitelist an IP address on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, whitelisting an IP address pretty much makes that IP address able to log into your site or access your site. Any IP address in the whitelist will have the privileges to enter. Whichever IP address isn't will then be unable to enter, as it's pretty much self-explanatory. Now, I'll be covering it with this here article because I don't have access to the htaccess folder, and you can modify it with Apache, which is a web server you can use to modify the htaccess file. You can use this through the hpanel, cpanel, whatever it is you're using through your web hosting service, and it should work just fine. You just have to find a way to access the htaccess file. You just need to connect to your site via the file transfer protocol, and you can also use cpanel's file manager tool, or you can use hpanel by Hostinger as well. Really doesn't matter. Just locate your htaccess file, access it, and then you'll need to start editing your code. Now, before you start editing, just make a copy to make a backup in case anything goes wrong, and then you can enter code snippets depending on how strict you want the whitelist to be. To control access to the entire site, you need to enter this, which is order deny allow, deny from all, and allow from whatever IP here. And you just need to replace the IP with your actual IP address. And if you want to list multiple, just go ahead and do it like this. Just add however many IP addresses you want right below each other, and that should be it. Now, to block access to your WP admin and login.php pages, just enter this snippet, and make sure to replace, of course, the IP address numbers, but leave the slashes. Just replace these here numbers, and that should be it. And you can continue whitelisting multiple addresses again in the same way, and that should be pretty much it. Now, alternatively, you can use a plugin such as Server Security and Anti-Spam. You have other security plugins. I'm pretty sure All-in-One has a security plugin which you can use, and you can also use nginx or nginx web servers, and you can achieve the same thing with different methods. However, this method is the main one I wanted to show because you have this available on all hosting services, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.